Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Facebook account. It's pretty simple. Just open up your Facebook app. And you can easily download Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store, whichever phone you're using. After you download and install it and open it, this is going to be the first page. Now, if you don't have an account, you can click on create new account at the bottom to create yourself a Facebook account. But since this video is about login, you probably already have a Facebook account. So over here where it says mobile number or email, click on it and enter your mobile number or email, whichever thing you used when you created your Facebook account. After you enter the information over here, what you need to do is click on password and enter the password of your account. After you do that, click on login and you should be able to log in into your Facebook account. But if you forgot the password of your Facebook account, you can always click on forgot password to recover the password of your Facebook account as well. So that is how you guys can log in into your Facebook account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.